And we are live. Hello mga kakwento. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever you are tuning in, to those who are watching or will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Their business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So tonight is extra special because we're talking about new beginnings, even in seasons when people think it's time to slow down. So our guest tonight is a living proof that life doesn't end at retirement. Sometimes it actually begins there. So at the age of 70 years old, she's not just retired, she's refired. So she's living her best life, building her business, and inspiring others to keep dreaming no matter their age. And she was the reason why I had this Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago series inspired by her bagong umaga, bagong pag-asa show. Isn't it amazing? Ang daming nakaka-inspire talaga dito sa community natin. So grab your coffee, settle in, and be inspired by her beautiful story of courage, purpose, and passion. So I will add her to stage. Um, si Maria. Ayan po. Thank you po for your time to guest sa Kape at Kwento series ko po. Please introduce yourself po before I go to my first question.
Good morning, everybody. First, thank you, Lorely, for inviting me. It's an honor to be here. So, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat and welcome to Kape at Kwentuhan sa, what is that? Bagong pagbabago, right? My name is Maria Santos. I am from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Originally from Bicol, Philippines. Taga-Pilipinas din po ako. Kaway sa mga taga-Pilipino sa buong mundo, kahit dyan sa Pilipinas. You know what, guys? This is how global our business is because Lorelei is now in the Philippines doing this series and I am here in Edmonton, Alberta. See, ang time difference po namin ay talagang amazing that there's nothing impossible sa business na ito. Now, continue ako mag-introduce ng self ko. I am a mother, a proud grandma, and you know what? I am a proud digital full-time business owner. I am so happy that I found this business and now we are thriving just like Lorelei is doing. So, back to you, Lorelei.
Thank you po. I'll go with my first question na po. Most people see retirement as a time to rest, but you chose to start something new. What inspired you to take that step and begin again?
That is a very good question. Sorry. That's a very good question, Lorelei. You know what? I'm just like everybody else. You know, most of the Filipino nurses, they will not stay in the Philippines. They will migrate. I was one of those na nag-migrate. I was in Saudi Arabia for a long time, and I'm here in Canada. Right? Why? It's because we want a greener pasture na tinatawag natin. I really don't know, Lorelei, if greener pasture, it is really green working overseas as an immigrant? I don't think so. Right? You have to work for every cent that you are earning. Right? It's not green. It's not green, right? I don't know really what term is that, but it is hard. It is hard, right? Bakit ko, I can't comprehend in my mind what green pasture means. Pero doon siguro, sa rancho, may mga green grass doon. But when you migrate to other countries, like Saudi Arabia, when I was there, I was so young. I was so young 22 years old, and I don't know the language, right? I don't know the language. I don't know the dialect. I hardly speak English. Do you know how green it was for me to do the job? It's not green. It might be red grass. But you know what? Tulad po ng ang question po ni Lorely sa akin is what inspired me to take a step and begin this business again. I've been working for so many years as a nurse. I migrated in Saudi Arabia, in my Saudi Arabia, and then I came to Canada, where and I sponsor my children in 2006. Na-sponsor ko sila dito, nangangahulugan na mga anak mo, apat ang anak mo, ay magtrabaho ka ng more job, more shift, right? Kasi po hindi madali ang maging immigrant. It's not easy. It's not green. It was not green. So I have to work 2006. I have to work day shift, evening shift, and sleep shift. Repeat for 8 years. Tagal 24 hours. Alam ko, ikaw na nanonood ngayon, I'm doing that. You know what? We have to do what we have to do to provide for our kids and help our family back home. Filipino, help the family back home. Even though it was difficult, still at the back of our head, hey, there's a family way back home. Hindi maaalis yun, nasa dugo natin yun na nga, Pilipino. So, there come a point in time na ang mga anak ko ay nagsirili na. Of course, right? Nag-start ng kanilang buhay. That was a wake-up call. That was scary and heartbreaking. You know why? Because I don't have savings. I don't have saving para suportahan ang aking retirement. Yes, I will get my pension. Pension, magkano lang ang pension? Right? Hindi kayang sustintuhan kung may binabayaran kang mortgage, this one, hindi po kayang mabuhay ng isang retiro dito sa Canada kung may mga bayarin ka pa. Right? So, that is the time na nagtanong ako sa sarili ko and I prayed so hard. Then what? Then that is the time that I found this business. This business na ang akala ko ay hindi ko magagawa. No, it's because I'm not a tech savvy. I don't have a business background. Ang alam ko lang po, ang makipagtrabaho sa 9 to 5, that's all what I knew for 49 years in the corporate world. What inspired me is, now, I am so inspired because, you know what? In spite of course, skeptical din po ako. Of course, doubtfulness. Of course, I was fearful too. In spite of that, I jumped into the business. I hung on to that faith that God will lead me on and will guide me on what to do. What inspired me is to have a financial freedom and time flexibility. Ito po ang tingin ko sa buhay, Lorely. This is how I look at it. Yeah, anak na lang kita, Lorely. No, I'm 70 to 71 years old. Ngayon, you know what? If you have the freedom and you don't have the money, you will never enjoy life. Trust me. If you have the money and you don't have the freedom, you will not enjoy life. Freedom and money goes together to be able to live the life that you wanted. Okay. Go back to you, Lorely.
Thank you po. Parang medyo nahirapan po ako doon, no? At ang dami niyong work talaga sabay-sabay. Tapos, hindi ko po kaya yon. Ang hirap. Super, grabe po. Super strong niyo po and super ang tatag po ng loob niyo. Ako po, hindi ko po kaya. Isang trabaho lang, umiiyak na ako talaga. Marami pong salamat. Super inspiring po kayo. I would like to say hi and thank you to Ali Yilmaz for watching and for the love. So I'll go to my second question po. What was the turning point or realization that made you believe you could still grow and achieve more even after retirement?
Ako, you know what? Ako yung go-getters, right? Go-getters ako. Because of my background, I grew up in a very, 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 very poor family. Survivor, right? Survivor. I didn't grow up with TV or radio or something, nothing like that. Poor, 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 poor family. That was my foundation, right? That makes me strong and stronger, right? Kahit sa pag-aaral, when we study, right? When we're studying, I have to wash people clothes. I have to babysit. I have to serve people for me to get something na kailangan ko or para makakain. That's how I grow up, right? In being, this is what I want to say. Poverty is not a crime. Ang maging mahirap ay hindi crime. But depende sa iyo kung to fall? No, it's not the waiters, right? So, ang question, what would you say to people your age who believe they're too old to try something new? There's nothing too old. Lahat po iyan ay nandito sa mindset natin. Kaya nga ang tinatawag natin, ang positive mindset is very important. Why? Kasi po iyon ang nagdadirect sa iyo of what you do. Kung wala kang mindset na ganyan, okay, I wanna finish nursing. Paano ko nga makatapos ng nursing, wala kang kinakain? Then, you will just sit in one corner and wait for the rain to fall, the money from above? No, you have to do something. No matter how it will cost you, just do it. Ganun po ang ginawa ko. So, kung ikaw ay may edad na tulad ko, there's nothing impossible. Alam mo, there's nothing impossible. Pumunta ako ng Saudi Arabia, hindi ako masyadong marunong mag-English, hindi ko alam ang Arabic. Bilang nurse, paano ko masisilbihan o magagawa ang trabaho ko bilang nurse? At paano ko matutugunan ng pangangailangan ng mga pasyenteng nakarely sa akin ang needs nila? If I didn't learn the language. It was not easy. It was hard. But you know what? Literally, I use the body language, right? The body language na ginamit ko, that is for 6 months. I really learned the language after that. So I can communicate with them. Dito sa business na ito, right? Sa business o anumang aspeto sa buhay, whatever aspect in life, it's just your determination. Sabi nga, faith, courage, hope, and determination, consistency, and persistency. May tanong ako sa mga viewers ngayon. Ano ba ang gusto mo sa buhay? What do you want in life? What do you want in life? What do you want? Nahihirapan ka? Then find a solution for that. Napapagod ka? Then find a solution for that. Nahihirapan kang lumakad dahil sa sobrang trabaho? Then find a solution for that, because God gave us not the spirit of fear but sound mind to think what is the solution of the problem that you're suffering right now, right? Retiro ka na. So magre-retiro ka na lang ba ng ganyan? No. Nasa mindset iyan lahat, Lorelei. Everything, even it's not only not applied to young old people like me. Kahit sa mga kabataan. Once you have that mindset, your life will be Once you run, once you swim, even across sa waves na yon, you gonna make it. Mahirap lumagoy na papunta ka doon sa waves, right? Mahirap, di ba? But that is where, as soon as you nalagpasan mo yon, That is where the winning thing is. Right? Lahat ng buhay ay may pagsubok. Lahat, sabihin mo nga sa akin, may pinanganak tayo na walang alam, right? I wish na hindi na lumaki para hindi na nahirapan. Pero ganyan lang ba yan? Iiyak lang, so aanuhan lang ng didi, that's it. Do you want that kind of life, Lorelina, pa? Hanggang 50 years, baby ka lang. I don't think so. So wala kang problema, right? Wala kang problema. So, iyan ang masasabi ko sa buhay, right? I had been a nurse for 49 years. I never had a single moment na, yeah, there was challenges, there was discouragement, there was everything. Especially when I joined this business, oh my goodness, Lorelei, they will call me as scammers. No? Mm-mm. With head high, I will say that this business that we are doing is legit, tax registered. Otherwise, I will not be in the social media. Ito pong ginagawa namin ay all over the world. Global po ito. Hindi ko pwedeng ilagay ang magandang mukha ko dito. If it is a scam, because ang mga anak ko po ay lahat professional dito sa Edmonton, Alberta, sa Canada. Hindi lang po ako ang mga kamag-anak ko po. So, yeah, that is back to you, Lorelei.
Thank you po. I'll go with my third question. You seem so happy and fulfilled po. Pero what's a day like for you now that you're both retired and a business owner? So ano po ba yung mga ginagawa ng everyday proud business owner po na katulad niyo?
Yeah, proud. Sabi ko nga, mindset yun. Mindset yun lagi. When we join this business, I joined this business. Everybody who is a business owner, may huge why. Bakit mo ginawa ang isang bagay? Bakit ka pumasok sa isang bagay? Why? Why? Yeah, tulad natin noon, Lorelei, we are sitting kung saan nauupo sila ngayon. We're listening. And there's lots of questions at the back of our head. Is this true? Are these scam? Right? Is this real? Ganon din tayo. We were you before. Now look at us. Na bago po. Ngayon, kami naman ang nagsishare ng dinaranas namin sa business na ito, that how fulfilling it is. Lalo na po sa edad ko. Right? Lalo na po sa edad ko na I can do it. I thank God for this. Right? Ako po hindi susuko. It was hard at the beginning. Lorelei, it's so hard. I was dragging my feet. My head says no. My heart says no. But I do it anyway. Right? I do it anyway. There are so many times at the back of my head na sa totoo ba to? Right? Totoo ba ito? Of course, you know what? I said mindset is the very important. You know what, guys? It doesn't matter. I will be talking to those people who are close to retirement, who are retired and will soon retire. This is it. This is it. This is it. If I didn't found this business, Lorelei, now, ngayon do you think at the age of 70, 71, somebody will employ me? Do you think? No. Right? Walang mag-i-empleyado, matanda na ako. Though ang mind ko is still intact pa, sound mind pa ako. But you know what, physically, I cannot do what I did when I was 30, 40 years old. No, not anymore. Yung tanda lang po, ay yung sinasabi natin pagtanda, nasa isip lang po iyon. Iyong sinasabi nilang hindi kaya, nasa isip lang po iyon. Iyong sinasabi nilang nakakatakot, nasa isip lang nila yon. Kasi look at us, look at me. A 70, 71 years old is thriving this business. Thriving this business, trying to learn the business, learn the blueprints of the business, learn everything, and still learning. And it's so challenging, guys. Pagka kayo may edad na, don't let that mindset na, oh, I am retired, I will just relax. mag-travel ka hanggang kailan ang naiipon mong pera. Meron nga dyan na they retired and they cannot even travel because they don't have enough saving. Right? Yan ba ang buhay na gusto mo sa sarili mo? No, it doesn't stop there. It doesn't stop there. And okay, that is the third question. Hey, what was your toning? No, not yet. Right? It's not too old. There's never too old. Nasa mindset lang yun. Pag sinabi mong matanda ka na talaga. Yun talaga ang malalagay mo sa mindset mo. Pag sinabi mong walang taong pumapasok, wala talagang papasok yan. That kasi there is power in the word, right? There is power. Whatever you say, there is power in that. So always say that. I can do it. I'm a winner. I will be a millionaire one day, and I can enjoy my freedom in time, flexibility, financial freedom, because I am thriving no matter what, how difficult this business is, I keep going. Yun po ang mindset. Back to you, Laurel.
Po kayo. Talaga naman po 'di ba kung ano yung sinabi natin, yun yung naririnig ng universe. And kung ano yung narinig ng universe, yun din yung mangyayari, 'di ba? So kapag lagi mo sinasabi, wala akong pera, yun na talaga mangyayari kasi yun yung naririnig ng universe, 'di ba? So kung abundance mindset meron ka, 'di ba? Pasok yung blessings sa'yo, 'di ba? Abundantly, 'di ba? So, thank you po sa answer niyo dun sa question ko. And yung another question ko po ay what life lesson stand out the most and continues to guide you po sa business nyo?
Okay. What is that? Lesson from experience you lived through so many seasons. What life lesson stands out the most and continues to guide the business? Okay. This is very good question, right? I was not a tech savvy. I don't have a business background. Life lesson? Okay. I've been working. I thought working 24 hours, that was the milestone. Being a nurse, you know what, working 3 jobs, what do you think is the check? Right? What do you think also the tax? What do you think the tax? Right? The more you earn, the more they will tax you. But meron nga rang extra income sa iyong pinaka-basic. Extra yun ma-stretch, pero at the end of the month, ubus din po iyon. Ubus din po yun. Walang matitira. I've been through this. I tried a lot because I want to survive. I want my children, when they come here in Canada, to have a good life. That's why I did that 24 hours for 8 years. 8 years, taas po ang mga paa nang gumawa ng 8 years na 24 hours. Taas nyo ang mga paa nyo. Kung sino sa mga kabataan, I know you are doing 16 hours. Yeah, it's very common, but 24 hours? Right? No, that's not possible, but I make it possible. Ang lesson stands out sa the most and continue to guide. Ang lesson po is there is always light at the end of the tunnel. Lahat tayo dumaraan sa pagsubok. Lahat tayo. Lahat. Sabihin mo nga wala, ikaw na nanonood, ikaw Lorelei, wala ka bang pagsubok sa buhay na dinadaan? Nakangiti lang yan. Pero sa deep inside, ay ano ba itong buhay na to? Kailan ba ito mababago? Kailan kaya darating ang aking swerte? Kailan kaya ako yayaman? There's lots of people who are having a question right now. But, ang tanong ko sa'yo, did you do something? Did you find something? Right? Did you find something? Right? Iyan po ang natutuhan ko sa buhay na ina-apply ko sa buhay ko, that no matter how hard it is, no matter how big your trial is, no matter how difficult it is, keep going. Kasi po, pag nag-stop ka, magugutom ka. Maghihirap ka. Do you like that? No. If there is a way, you know what? One job pay is not enough. Two job is not enough. Then add another job. Right? You don't know the business yet. Keep working until you cannot walk anymore. Right? You wala ka choice. Either or, I want this and I want this. Ang kagandahan po na ang routine and joy na experience ko po sa business na ito is, you know what? When I found this business, Lorely, I just want to share to you, I was still working 16 hours. Day shift and evening shift, right? 16 hours. I start my shift at 7 o'clock. How do I do the business then? Right? I make a point that I wake up 3:30 in the morning. 3:30, aalis na ako ng bahay ng 6 o'clock, lalo na pag may snow, aalis na ako ng bahay. I give driving for 1 hour kasi ang snow madulas. So, doon sa 3:30 yun, gagawin ko na lahat. Mag-go live na ako, mag-i-engage na ako. Kung may ganito, gagawin ko na yon. Naka-schedule lahat. That's why, to plan your day and plan, put it into writing so that pag hindi mo natapos, pag 1 hour break, do it. Right? Do it. Do it. So, ang buhay ay, sabi nga ni Kuya Kim, ay weather lang. Right? Hindi ba? Weather lang ang buhay. It's up to you. May trials, up and down, parang waves. Minsan ang dumarating na waves sa dagat, maliit. Minsan malaki-laki. Minsan gahigante. Kung gahiganting laki ng waves, how you gonna do it? What you gonna do if you are in the middle of the ocean? You have to learn that tricks, guys. Iyan ang gusto kong ipaano sa mga anak ko, that life is not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy, but it's up to you to find a way on how to make it easy or easier. Ang ano ko lang dyan is keep trying, no matter what, and yung faith mo sa Panginoon. I believe that all things ay galing sa Kanya. And He is the one who will help and guide you. Trust me. Trust me. He will be there. He's watching you. He is listening to you. He is guiding you. Though sometimes na hindi natin makita ang resulta, lalo na sa business na ito, minsan 2 taon, 3 taon, 4 na taon, bakit hindi ka umuusad, right? And you can see people earning money and, wow, I'm doing the best, napupuyat ako, natutulog ako ng 3:00, bakit walang result? It is coming. Patience is the key to everything in life. Patience para ka mabuhay. And do something. Get up. Learn. Life is so beautiful, Lorely. You know what? My life is I am full of experience. That humbles me of where I am right now. It's very humbling experience that galing ako sa Pilipinas, sa bahay na kinalalakihan, there is no light, there is no water, there is no window, and there's no bathroom. And where I am right now, sabi ko nga, poverty is not a thing to be ashamed of. You have to be proud out if that poverty, you turn that into the blessing and you become a blessing to everybody by sharing your story, encouraging them. Right? Back to you, Lorely.
Thank you po. Saludo ako sa inyo. Sa dami po ng experience nyo na super, super strong talaga po kayo. Nakaka-inspire po kayo. Ang last question ko po, for everyone watching, sa mga viewers po natin, especially those na they feel late to start something new, ano po yung message nyo sa kanila for a message of hope and inspiration? Ano po yung advice nyo sa mga viewers natin?
Thank you, Lorely. There's never too late in life. But if you think it's late, Well, wala po kaming magagawa dyan. May magagawa ka ba, Lorely? If they say it's late, matanda na ako, masakit na ang kasuan ko, my leg is painful, may magagawa ka ba? We cannot do anything. Right?
Now.
Kayo lang ang makakataon. You alone can make that change. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, you know what? 49 years in nursing. I found this job, 16 hours ang trabaho ko. I make a way. For 3.5 years in this business, Lorely, I was working 16 hours. Naging full-time business owner lang ako last year lang, 2024. That's only the time na nag-focus ako sa business. That was only the time na natapos ko ang training. Hindi pa nga tapos na tapos. Right? But you know what? I try to learn. I keep plug in. I reach out to people that want to share something, right? Because this business is a community. You will never be alone sa journey mo sa buhay na ito. If you think you're old, if just what you think, keep that mindset, guys. Look at me. Soon be 75 years old. Yeah, my thinking is only 20 years old, guys. I will never, ever accept defeat in what I am doing. And everything I do, I give my best. I do my best. I learn to the best of that I can to be able to get that result that who I am right now. You cannot get result if you just sit down, if you just watch, if you just like you. If you are scrolling, is this the right time? There is no perfect time, guys. No perfect time until mag 100 years old ka na nag-i-scroll ka. You will never experience the goodness of this business. Never. You have to jump. You have to learn. You have to have that mindset. You have to be enthusiastic because it will follow, guys. It will follow. The energy will follow, guys. Trust me. If you are happy at what I am doing just right now, because what makes me happy, what makes me energetic, nakita ko, I'd send people pay their debt. I'd seen people travel unlimited, naka-business class pa. Samantalang tayo umuwi when we go home, halos hindi natin, economy class, hindi natin ma-move ang ating puwet dahil sa sikip. Sila naka-business class, nakataas ang paa, special ang pagkain. Right? But you know what? Dahil ginawa nila ang dapat nilang gawin. Dahil sila ay nag-tried, dahil sila ay sinubukan, dahil sila ay nangarap, hindi lang nangarap na maantay ang bunga ng puno na bumagsak sa bibig mo, but they tried, they learned, they fight those depression, they fight their anxiety, everything. Guys, if you want to work and earn online, if you want to enjoy your freedom and time flexibility, if you want to spend time with your children and watch them grow, this is it. This is it. We are not dragging you. We are sharing to you the goodness of this business, that this business one day, you will say, how I wish I started it when I was 15, oh no, not 15, because 18 years old, when I was younger. Old, age is just a number. It's just a number, guys. If you let that old mentality in your head, right, you will be old. You will be just kind of laying down on the bed or the chair the whole day until you cannot walk anymore. Stand up. Stand up. Try it. Take action. By the way, today is Thursday, right? Literally, we have a live complimentary webinar. live complimentary webinar at 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. That is the first step. Watch the webinar. That is, me and Laurelie started by watching the webinar. Watch it, guys. Libre po yun. Sasabihin nila, ay, may bayad pala. First that I have to tell you, there's no business na walang puhunan. There's no business, right? Na walang puhunan. Kung ito na ang pinakamagandang negosyo po na nakita ko. Because my investment, but the investment is not at big and you get a product in return. So what do you want? We are not just getting your money, but you have the product that will give you yung sa water po, yung sa mga ano po namin, maganda po ang product. And on top of that, marami pong benefits. Maraming benefits. Back to you, Laurel.
Okay, thank you po. What an incredible story po. So, that will be my last question po. Thank you for your time po for being my guest sa Kape at Kwento-Kwentong Pagbabago. So our guest Maria reminds us that purpose doesn't retire. That no matter what age or stage we're in, we can still grow and we can dream and make an impact. So to our inspiring 70-year-old entrepreneur, thank you so much for showing us that joy comes from living with intention, courage, and gratitude. So mga kakwento, remember this, it's never too late to rewrite your story, to chase your dream, and to light a spark in someone else's life. So thank you for spending your time with us tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. Sorry. So see you again on my next live of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee, bring your dreams, and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. You can direct message us if you want to know, to learn about the business, or you can register on our website at www.loriramos.com. And for Maria, www.mariasantoslive.com. So ilalagay niyo lang po yung name niyo and address, email address. Then we will send you the link for the free info session. So good night and God bless us all. Bye.